So we are going to talk here what is the counter and a different method. For example, counter dot elements and counter dot most common and counter dot subtract. So what is counter? The collection module also provide with a neat little tool to support convenient and fast tallies. This is a tool called counter. So you see here collection, and we are importing counter and counter superfluous, and then counter primer. So here superfluous I'm printing, and here I'm printing this one, and I'm printing M. So counter convert a string to dictionary. So U 3 times S, 2 times P 1 times, then is L or 1 time, so O 1 time, E 1 time. Similarly, Suprema. So if you see here M 3 times, M 3 times. So it's a default is ordered by the higher first and the lower. So in this example, counter from collection and then pass it to the string, and then result is counter object that subtract a Python dictionary. We then run in the same command by assigning the variable counter, so we can access the dictionary bit easier. And this is case we can see the U occurs in 3 times as explained. So it's very important if you want to calculate how many times is the character occur in the string, you can use counter. Counter provide the method might be used in trans. For example, we can call element which will be iterate over the element that is a dictionary but is a abstract order. So order is abstract. We can kind of think the function is a scrambler, as the output of this case be scrambler string. So superfluous counter, then counter in the list. So is the convert into list, right? But the order is different. You see, the order is not same as we have. And if you print element, it's just a object. And then now the most common is means the top number. The another useful method called most common, we can ask the counter what is the most common item passing through the number that represent a top occurring in the n times. So here most common 2, we put 2. We can give 3, b4, and u 3 times as 2 times. It's up to you. So here we just use counter and top, most of common occurring item here, and we can see the produce the list of tuple called u is a 3 occurs 3 thrice and s occurs twice. Now the next method is a subtract. The other method where we can use the subtract method. The subtract method is accept, iterate, and mapping them into argument. Subtract, it's a bit easier to explain as we see in the code. So counter, and we are subtracting super. So super, then plus is it will give to plus. Counter, subtract. So this is counter 1, this is counter 2. So counter, subtract, true. Then we remove this one, and what is the next one? And it will give a. So if you see here, if you subtract, it will give 0 also. So that's a very good part. U2 times, L1 times, and O1 times, F1 time, S1 time, R0 time, E0 time, P0 time if you subtract. So here we recreate first counter, print, so we know that it's line 4, that's we create a second counter, and then we look the carefully output, we will see the notice number of the 5 for its item has been decrement by the 1. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And today we discuss 3 methods. One is a counter, another is counter element, and counter dot element. Second one is counter dot most common. Third one is counter dot substring, then counter. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.